Welcome students. I am going to teach you in this video 9th standard English grammar tenses. Tenses already I put six tenses. Like I completed six tenses: present tense, present continuous, present perfect tense, past tense, and past continuous tense. So that all these tenses I completed. So once I remind you, but just you can go through that video. Six years. Now I am going to teach you past perfect tense. Past perfect tense, its usage, method of writing, keywords. Like example and exercise in this video. So that nalla na pona irukkudiya அந்த tense problem ஒரு வீடியோவா கொடுத்திருப்பேன். நல்லா clear-ஆ பார்த்து understand பண்ணுங்க. It will help you in future education. So that let us discuss in this video tenses. Seventh title, past perfect tense. Past perfect tense usage, many usages are there. Among them, I would like to tell you, explaining few usage. First is for an action that had been completed before another action began in the past. So that ஒரு action ஏற்கனவே முடிஞ்சிருக்கும், எதுவுமே முன்னாடியே, but இன்னொரு action second term. Though totally two actions happen in this past perfect tense. Then for the action earlier of the two actions. Then for unfulfilled with relating to the past actions. So these are the usages of past perfect tense. Method of writing is all the person. First person singular or plural. Second person singular or plural. Third person singular or plural. Everything you write had plus V3. V3 means past perfect tense. For example, had written, had seen, had won. So these are the past perfect tense method of writing. And the keywords are after, before, already. So these are the keywords: after, before, already. These are the past perfect tense keywords. Let us discuss the title past perfect tense. First one is usage. First usage is for an action that have been completed before another action. Before another action began in the past. Began in the past. The second usage is for the action earlier of. For the action earlier of two actions. Two side two actions. The third usage is for unfulfilled with relating to the past. Relating to the past. So these are the usage of past perfect tense, students. Then method of writing. Method of writing. Method of writing: first person singular plural, first person singular plural, second person singular plural, third person singular plural. So everything you use, okay, person, use had plus first person single plus second person single third person single plural. Use had plus V3. V3 means past participle. Okay. For example, had seen. Okay. I have seen. I have written. We have written. You have written. You have gone. You have gone. They had gone. He had gone. She had written. She had seen. It had eaten. So that these are the example of had plus V3. Okay, method of writing are the keywords. Following keywords. The keywords are after, before, anonymous, already. So these are the keywords of past perfect tense. So I have written here, first one is usage. The three usage of past perfect tense for an action that have been completed before another action began in the past, for the action earlier of two actions, for unfulfilled with relating to the past. Method of writing: first person singular plural, second person singular plural, third person singular. Every person write had plus V3. The V3 means past participle. For example, present means write, past means wrote, present okay, past participle written. So that all V3. Then keywords after, before, again. So I would like to give you example. When I give example, you will be able to get clear idea about that. Okay. First one is before Lada returned home the bird had flown away. So first example, the keyword is before. When you see that okay, keyword before, you can find it's a past perfect. Had been plus okay V3 had flown. I told you that you say an action here on two actions. Okay, two actions. First one action is the second one action. Totally two actions will be provided. I would like to continue second example. If I had run fast, I would have won the race. In this example, there is no keyword, any keyword, but so this is very very important, students. If plus past perfect tense, inge would have plus V3 irundhadale enna vandha past perfect had run. So that this is a very very important example, students. Note this. Ida mukkiyama neenga note panikka. Then third example, after we had watched the movie we explained the story. So that in this example I have given here after. After is a keyword. After the past perfect had plus V3. So that this is second past actions. Okay, is given here. So you must find the keyword and find the past perfect tense. I would like to give you exercise. எப்படி எக்ஸாம்ல கேட்பாங்க exercise option கொடுப்பாங்க. So that how do we want to pick up the correct answer? So I'm going to give you now before we reach the station, we reach the station, the train dash. A option leave, B option had left, C option will leave. I have given students, I have given here 3 options. So the root word is before. Before is the past perfect. Past perfect method is எல்லாத்தையுமே நடக்க add plus v இதுதான். We reached. இங்க first action பாருங்க, past action be plus ஆயிடுது. Second action பாருங்க, the train. So the first option is A option leave, B option had left, C option will leave. Among these three, B is the correct answer. B is the correct answer. So that pick up the answer. Answer B had left. இப்படிதான் ட்ரை பண்ணணும். நீங்க ஆன்சர் நீங்க பிக் அப் பண்ணி ட்ரை பண்ணணும். ஓகே, சோ I continuously I would like to give you other exercise. Second one is after I dash the phone I paid the bill. I paid the bill. This is second example. I would like to give you option. E option have used, B option used, C option has used. So I have provided here three options. So how can I find this? Okay, past perfect tense. After is a past perfect tense. After is a okay keyword of past perfect tense. I told you all the person want to write only had plus v3. So that first option had used, B option used, C option has used. Among these three, which one is correct answer? A is the correct answer. So answer A had used. The third one is if they will, they would have scored high marks. This is a very important example, students. So that mostly past perfect tense, this example will ask you. Okay, if plus then you can find would have plus v3. Would have plus v3 A option has right, B option right, C option had written. I have given here three options. Among the three, you want to find. Okay, இந்த மாதிரி எக்ஸாம்பிள்ல would have plus v3 னு பார்த்தனாலே என்ன பண்ணலாம்? நம்மளுடைய கையை என்னன்னா பாஸ்ட் டென்ஸ் தான் வேற ஒண்ணும் இல்ல. had plus v3. அப்ப among this okay three options, C is correct answer. Answer C had written. ஸ்டூடண்ட்ஸ் இந்த வீடியோ என்ன பார்த்தீங்கன்னாக்க பாஸ்ட் பெர்ஃபெக்ட் டென்ஸ் உடைய யூசேஜ், மெத்தட் ஆஃப் ரைட்டிங், கீவேர்ட்ஸ், வேரியஸ் எக்ஸாம்பிள் பார்த்துருக்கோம். ஓகே, சோ நெக்ஸ்ட் வீடியோல another place பார்க்கலாம். Thanks for watching this video.